A semi-truck lost control in a terrifying video making the rounds on Twitter. In a video tweeted by Xen, filmed by Cody Butler, a semi-truck lost control on an icy road west of Austin, Texas, and it's absolutely the vehicle jackknifed into the ditch and narrowly avoided flipping. Watch the insane video. But for those of you who don't know, Texas is currently being hammered by cold weather, which is very unusual for the clearly, people aren't used to dealing with the and down in Texas, and the roads look insanely dangerous. While I joke about people being terrible drivers and a semi-truck losing control isn't funny, that's how catastrophic accidents can happen on the highway. When the roads are that bad, it might be time to just stay safe, Texas, and stay off the roads if you can. Leave driving in the to those of us